Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the BodyHerbals Rose Bath and Body Care gift set, an 8-piece 100% vegan luxury hamper perfect for women, men, or couples, ideal for birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, or any special celebration. It includes a rose shower gel, rose potpourri, terry towel, aroma diffuser oil, bath puff, shower cap, and 2 tea lights, all infused with the enchanting scent of roses. Let's see if it's a spa-worthy gift. First up, the packaging. It's gorgeous. Shipped by RK World Infocom on Amazon, it arrived in a solid pink box with a pink ribbon per BodyHerbals site. Amazon reviews call it gift ready, and I agree, no wrapping needed. Starting with the rose shower gel, 200 ml, I poured it onto the bath puff and it lathered into a rich foam. The rose scent is floral and uplifting. Per web details, it's got essential oils and herbs. My skin felt clean and nourished. Amazon users love its aroma. The rose potpourri, I placed it in my bathroom and it creates a soothing spa vibe. Per the site, it's a blend of dried petals, so elegant. The terry towel is plush and absorbent. I used it post-bath and it's perfect for drying. The bath puff is high quality for exfoliation, and the shower cap is a practical touch, kept my hair dry. The aroma diffuser with diffuser oil and tea lights is a highlight. I added a few drops of oil and lit the tea lights. Per reviews, it fills the room with a romantic rose scent. Felt like a luxury spa. This set's vegan, cruelty-free, SLS, and paraben-free with a pH 5.5. FDA approved per Amazon. Not cheap, but worth it for the quality. Ideal for gifting or self-care. Some note fragile diffusers, so handle gently per Amazon feedback. Want more? Stay tuned for my next video with a spa routine. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what's next. Maybe a festive gift guide. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.